Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you a very interesting thing. It is called deep face drawing. So we use artificial intelligence to draw something and convert into a very photorealistic image. So I'm gonna select female. From here you can draw your dream girl or a dream man. So I'm gonna start out with this. So this is a rough sketch. So this is the output here. So you will see this here. So I'm gonna sketch out by drawing a beautiful girl. So let me draw. So the background is just a template. You can use anything. You can see how in the real world these things get rendered. So I'm gonna put that there. So let her have a big nose. Oh, I think I made a mistake there. That is reflecting there. 1 second. So I'm gonna take my brush again. She should have a beautiful face. Yeah. Yep. You see, it got reflected. So now let me come to the lips. I'm gonna give her pretty lips. 1 second. Yeah. So I'm gonna break that up here. Let's see how it changes here. Yeah, cool. So now I'm just coming to the hair. Gonna give it a long hair. So yeah. So here also I'm gonna give her a long hair. Yeah. So that's how you draw a dream girl using artificial intelligence with the help of artificial intelligence. I hope this is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.